morning, children. Today I have taken comprehension and composition. It comes under English language. So today I have taken the first lesson, comets. Now see, in this particular chapter, the word comets, what does it mean? See, it is like a dusty snowball. The meaning is like dusty snowball. They orbit around the sun. See, they orbit around the sun. See, this is the word meaning. The comet meaning. They are the dusty snowball, and they are in the space or in the sky. They orbit around the sun. So that is the meaning. So please, all of you look this particular text. I am reading and explaining to you. In this particular chapter, there is a boy called Andy. See, he is very curious. Actually, this particular boy Andy is very curious to know about this comet. He wants to see in the space, and then he takes his telescope. Afterwards, with open eyes, he tries to see what he is unable to see, and therefore his father helps him, and with the help of telescope, he is able to see something, and so he somehow feels happy. So that is the text here. So I am reading the text. Please pay attention, all of you. Andy heard from his friends that a comet was coming. So he had heard from his friends that it is coming. Somewhere it is coming in the sky. He knew that a comet was a space rock. So his knowledge was that it was a space rock. Something it will be in the space, it will appear in the sky. Next line, space rocks seemed exciting. He wanted to watch it that night. All he had to do was to go outside and watch. That was easy enough. So, since it will be coming in the space, so he has to go and look in the space for this particular comet or comets. Next paragraph. That night he put on a jacket and went outside. He looked around. He saw the moon, but he did not see anything else. So what happened? Maybe it was cold night, so he had to put on his jacket, whatever woolen clothes, and then he was outside. And then what he could see? Only he could see the moon. The comets were not visible. There were only a couple of clouds. So that was not the problem. He could see some stars, but nothing new or special. Where was the comet? So he was looking, this particular boy called Andy was looking for this particular comet, but he was unable to see. Instead, he could see different heavenly bodies, or we call it the different objects in the space. Okay. Next paragraph you see. He called his friend on the phone. So he has to make phone call. He made phone call and called his friends to come to his own house. They talked about it. His friend told him where to look, but he still didn't see it. So his friend guided him, but he was unable to see who this particular boy called Andy. He was not able to see comet. Next slide. They talked about it. His friend told him where to look, but he still did not see it. What was going on? Was he not special enough to see it? Where his eyes going bad? Where his eyes going bad? What was he doing wrong? So now he is having many questions in his mind, because this particular boy is unable to see this particular comet. So he is questioning, am I not a special person? Is my eyes bad, or is there something wrong so that I am not able to see this particular comet? So he is questioning to himself. Now next paragraph you see. Andy went to get his dad. Now Andy has to take help of his own father. Together they looked up in the sky where it was supposed to be. So both of them, his father guided him, and both of them looked up in the sky. Finally, after several minutes of looking, he saw a fuzzy thing, brighter and bigger than a star. Something dark color he could see in the space in the sky, but nowhere near what he expected. So he was expecting very near in the space to see this comet, but he couldn't see this particular comet. Next paragraph. I thought it would be like an extra moon or something, Andy complained. So Andy was very much surprised. He was thinking that it would be something like extra moon. And then he says again, it's not big enough for that, and it still might be very far away, Dad explained. So Dad is telling, because Dad is a bigger person, he is elderly, so he told him that it is not that what you are looking for. So it is very, very far. What we have to do? We have to do something else so that we can see. Next paragraph. I still wish I could see it better. Dad nodded and went inside. So Dad has gone inside the house to find some equipment so that they could see the comet. When he came back, he had a telescope. See, telescope like binocular, we can see far things near. So that is the telescope. Together they focused in and saw the comet a little better. It wasn't much, but it helped. Next page. What else can we see? Andy wondered. So they could see now with the help of this telescope. They could see comet. Dad smiled and aimed the telescope over at the moon instead. That was cool. Seeing the craters and the details of the moon up closer was nice. So with the help of this telescope, they could see very closer. Astronomy was interesting, and Andy made sure to read more about it at his school. So, see, what is the study of things in the space? That is astronomy. So he was very much interested, and then he already decided to read more things about this particular heavenly beings in the space, about comets, moon, stars, and other objects in the space. And then he says, again I will read in my school more so that I can get more knowledge. So my dear children, I will continue this particular chapter. Thank you for paying attention.